What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flipping Jigs TV. Today we're going to be going out doing a catch and cook with the deer. We're going to be making some nachos, so you guys stay tuned. It's going to be an amazing little adventure, so you guys come with me as we get this deer down on the ground and then make it into some awesome food. So you guys stay tuned. If you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this video, hit that subscribe button. I'm almost 500. Really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. Thank you guys so much. If you like this type of content, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, before we get into it, I want to say this video is brought to you by Tidewe. Tidewe is an outgoing brand with hunting products such as bibs, overalls, boots, all kinds of gear. They have heated gloves, heated overalls, as you guys can see. Very good company to work with. If you guys want to pick up anything from their website, you can use code XMAS16 at checkout and pick you up a pair of these gloves, waders, whatever you may need, and that also at a very affordable price. Right, so you guys check them out. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a like and check out Tidewe. Let's get into it. Alright, so basically now we're just putting the toppings on. All you had to do is cook the meat and put the chips in a pan and you're good to go, and then add whatever toppings you want. My files got messed up, so didn't record none of that. So there you go.
There she goes. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. How you like that? How you like that, y'all? How y'all like that?
Alright, what is up, y'all? In Food Line, you guys just see me smoke that deer. So now we're about to make nachos out of him. So hopefully I don't get kicked out for filming in here. Walmart, they don't like it. So Food Line, I don't know, they might be cooler. I ain't never filmed a Food Line like that, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and just go through the store and pick up ingredients, and then I'll get back to y'all once we get out of here, I reckon. Sound good? Alright, boys. Just come out of Food Line. Bags secured. Got all the ingredients. Walking up there to check out, and she decided I'm gonna put the whole basket up there, which is kind of funny.
You think you're gonna put that up there?
But yeah, so hopping in the truck now if she unlocks the door, and then we're going back to the house. So I'll pick you guys up when we get back to the house. Alright, back at the house. Just walked through the door, as you guys seen. Let me know if you like these kind of little cut things I'm going to try to do here. Let me know if you guys like that. I'll try to do more. If you do, leave it down in the comments. Leave a like on this video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more Catch and Cooks. I know you two don't like to clean things, so I didn't show none of that or how I processed it. But I got some deer burgers sitting right there in the sink thawing out, and I'm going to go over what I got for you guys. So, number one, I got some tea, because why not? I got some queso dip, chips. I got mild cheddar cheese and Colby Jack cheese, some refried beans, some green onion, a tomato, and an avocado right there for you guys. So I'm gonna make some big time nachos. So they're gonna be really good. Hopefully they turn out really well. I've never done this with deer meat. I've never made nachos, period. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna see. I'll get the girlfriend out here to come and help me out. Hopefully, maybe. She's kind of mad at me right now, but that's alright. But yeah, so I had no clue what I'm doing, and yeah, so I'll pick you guys up here in just a second, and we can get started.
Spicy. That smells spicy. Let's go into Walmart.
Alright. Cooking with Nick. Make a cool intro thing for this. For future self.
I'm pregnant for a second. Hold on.
She's pulling up the recipe, and I gotta figure out what to do here. Cause
You need to get the meat. Is the meat?
I don't know. So.
Is the meat ready?
This. Alright. Getting ready to do this thing. There you go. So Is that everything you need from out here for now?
Yeah, give me the salt.
Alright. Salt. That just went in my eyes. Alright, we need what? Taco seasoning?
I need 2 limes for this.
Oh yeah, taco. We're gonna need this one.
Some sweet tea, I hear you, baby. I love you.
Yeah,
What is that?
try it. You tell me if it tastes right. Try it. He'll be in the background acting like you have to hide it from something.
But we see your big ass.
Alright, y'all, so just got the stuff made up. She helped me. Thank you.
I did it.
Or she did it. I just sat over here and started editing this video. So, anyways, so we're gonna go rip. Shoo. Anyway. No, I need it on my face.
It's on both of us. What are you talking about?
Anyway, so I gotta go ahead and get this put in the oven here. This is the finished product right here. Looks
refried beans. It's half and half.
looks pretty good. I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna flip the camera. Explain.
Alright, half and half. This is his half. This is my half. It's actually like he has more, but he'll eat more than me. This side has. We'll start on the bottom layer. It's chips, then just some green onion, little things all over, and then a whole bunch of cheese, the cheddar cheese, and then of course the meat, which is deer meat, deer he shot, with taco seasoning just mixed in when you cook it, and then his side has pepper jack cheese on top, some more green onions, and I think that's all you put on your side, and then of course the refried beans, and then there's a little concoction that I found that you make for the top. Don't. And then the queso you get, this is the only queso that I can find, but it's not the queso that we would normally use, not the queso Mexican use. And then my side has tomatoes, avocado, the green onion, and just cheddar cheese because I don't like spicy, and then of course it has the concoction and then the queso.
Alright, so how long is it going in the oven for?
Okay, the oven's at like 450 right now. You're not just putting it in there hot, and my dad's making hot wings too. So, we're just gonna put this in here. Leave it in here about 15 minutes, just to get that cheese to melt. Once the cheese melts, then it's pretty much done. Oh my god, we'll see you guys in 15 minutes.
Quit laughing.
I can't.
Do it right.
I can't.
You heard that? We'll see you guys in 15 minutes.
I don't know, just tape it or something and turn the camera off.
Alright, just come out the oven as you guys seen. Looks good. Hopefully it is good. So
Yeah, that's really fucking good.
we're gonna
Oh yeah, buddy.
we're gonna give her a shot and see what she turned out like. Hopefully it's good.
You're eating off your side, right?
Yep.
Alright, hold on. I gotta get a piece of avocado and meat and get a little bit of beans in there too. No, my chip is all flimsy. Alright.
Not too very good. I'll be with you guys shortly. Maybe. One day. Alright. Let's see what it tastes like. 10 out of 10, hammer. 10 out of 10. Best thing I ever ate.
If you like avocado, put it on there.
That's it. I'm gonna try it from your side, but I don't think I'm gonna like it.
I think you will. Huh. I gotta make it for you. I'm not gonna put tomato.
I don't like avocado or tomato.
I ain't gonna put no tomato on it.
No, put a tomato on it. You okay? Oh my god, that's going in the video. Alright, we back.
There's a little tomato in there, and then
We're back.
put some beans on there.
Put a good chunk of tomato in there. Even though I don't think I'm gonna like it.
I don't think you're gonna like it. You're gonna.
Alright.
It's good. Oh, it's good. He likes it. Told you. Come on, Daddy. Try some.
No. They get mad at you.
Yeah, I couldn't have a YouTube channel.
It just could be demonetized, so anybody that has under the age of a certain number can't watch it. So it takes away a lot of your views.
Man,
What do you think? Rating that 1 out of 10. Or whatever out of 10.
Are y'all
I thought it'd be a 10 out of 10.
That's what I said.
pretty good?
They're good.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll get back to you guys in just a second. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, y'all, I'm in bed, back in bed. Just finishing up editing this video. Kind of forgot all about the outro for this thing, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm on my road to 500. I'm almost there. I appreciate all you guys who watched this video, and if you stuck around to the end, be sure to go down there and comment Nacho in the comments below, just so I can see how many people actually made it to the end. And be sure to leave a like on this video, share with your friends if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button. And like always, there's more hunting and fishing content to come, and some more catching cooks as well. If you like catching cooks, be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments, because there will be a lot more coming, because it was good. And that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. But anyways, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to go on down there in the first link in the description. Check out Tidewe.com. They're the sponsor of this video. So go ahead and check them out, and be sure to use the link and save you some cash. If you want to pick something up off the website, it helps me out and I help you out. And it just goes towards supporting the channel and making my videos better. So really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Flipping Jakes TV. Peace.